making the original Italian pizza dough. From the ancient mountains of Italy, pizza was created more than 100 years ago. It is a symbol of great taste that has long been reminiscent of the beautiful and narrow paths of Venice. And when it is dark, the abdomen becomes empty. You have no choice but to go to any of the city's restaurants to taste the tastiest pastries. And the way it was made is a secret that characterizes the Italian people. It is made from fine flour, to which some yeast is added. Then leave it for a long time to rest the dough. Then the dough is spread out, and 2 pieces of wood are placed to make the dough spread evenly and thin.